Okay, we have our first porcupine sighting. I'm trying to... Larry's trying over there and call him like a dog. Wait, go over here. I don't want to fall in the mud. Now you gotta follow the deer tracks and the bear tracks over to get to the porcupine tracks.
Oh, look at him. He's all puffed up in the tree line.
Where is he?
Oh, he's going that way. Come on,
okay, go over this way. I'm going to cut him off at the pass over here.
Oh, okay. Well, just don't get within 10 feet of him. You can shoot those things at you.
He can shoot them at me?
Yes, the porcupine can shoot those quills.
Okay, here we go.
That's how he gets the animals.
Here we go. There we go. There is a real live porcupine.
All right, you got him. That's worth its weight in gold. Out of all the things that happened today, that's a beautiful thing. Don't get too close to that fool now. When you have to run from him, he's pretty quick, you know.
He's pretty quick.
There goes our porcupine.
Wow. Look, those quills are really scary looking.
Hey, those things can pop off and hit you. Wow. Thank you, honey.
He's trying to run from us.
With me.
Look at him climbing up on the bushes, on the trees. He's looking at me going...